Paano nga ba makuha ang iyong Shopee Pay Balance at ma-withdraw ito gamit ang iyong bank account? So to be able to withdraw, make sure that you have verified your Shopee Pay account and have added a verified bank account. First, you need to tap withdrawal on the Shopee Pay page. Next, you need to select a bank account and enter the withdrawal amount, then tap Next. You also need to check the information of withdrawal, then tap Confirm. Next, you will then be prompted to enter your Shopee Pay PIN, or you opted to have your Face ID or Touch ID or fingerprint. Take note that do not share your Shopee Pay PIN to protect your account. And next, it may only take note also that it may only take 1 to 2 working days for the withdrawal to reflect on your bank account. Sometimes it will be faster. Like in my experience, it is just credited to my account like for 4 hours or 2 hours the least. Okay, here are some verified banks that you may use in order to withdraw your Shopee Pay account. We have Asia United Bank, Banco de Oro, Bank of the Philippine Islands, BPI Family Savings Bank, China Banking Corporation, East West Bank, Land Bank of the Philippines, Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company, Philippine National Bank, Rizal Commercial Banking Corporation, Robinsons Bank Corporation, Security Bank Corporation, Union Bank of the Philippines, United Coconut Planter Bank, and there are so many more. So if you have encountered unexpected errors or issues, we strongly recommend to follow the basic troubleshooting tips. And I think that's it for my tutorial video. I hope you could follow it, and this is the official way on how to do it.